Friends, welcome to Bank Exam Cafe, and in today's episode we are going to discuss the exercise number 6.1 from chapter 6, Lines and Angles. And today we are going to discuss question number 1 and question number 2 of exercise 6.2. Before starting this episode, I request you to join the Telegram channel where I am going to post the questions on maths and science also. So you can solve these additional questions of maths and science. So join the Telegram channel. The link of that Telegram channel is given in the description box. Go to the description box, click the link and join there. Now here we will start with the first question. Here is the first question on the screen. In the given figure, find the value of x and y and then show that AB is parallel to CD. Here first what we have to do, in the given figure we have to find the value of x and then we have to find the value of y and then we have to show that AB is parallel to CD. It is not given to us that AB is parallel to CD. We have to prove that AB is parallel to CD and this line is a transversal. So here first we see that these two angles, this angle and this angle, these two angles form a linear pair. And we know that what is the relation between the linear pair? That the sum of these two angles will be 180 degree. So x plus 50, that will be 180 degree by linear pair. So it will be x plus 50, that is equal to 180 degrees. The reason is that it is a linear pair. Now take 50 to the other side and you will get it as x is equal to 180 minus 50 and therefore x is equal to 130 degree. Highlight, this is the first important step because we have got the value of x. But here if you look at the figure, this angle y and this angle of the measure 130 degree, what you can say about these two angles? Can anyone tell me that what you can say about these two angles, this y and this 130? Yes, can anyone tell me? Yes, it is correct that y is equal to 130 degree because both are the vertically opposite angles and vertically opposite angles are equal. So from the figure we also get that, but y is equal to 130 degree, reason vertically opposite angles. X is equal to 130 degree, highlight this also because we have to find the values of x and y and we have got here the value of x and y. X is equal to 130 degree and y is equal to 130 degree. Now here you see that x, the value of x you have got as 130 degree and the value of y you have got 130 degree. These two angles are equal. These two angles are alternate interior angles. We know that when two lines are there and there is a transversal, then these angles, this pair of angle is called as the alternate interior angle, and this pair of angles is called as the alternate interior angles. And if the lines are parallel, then these alternate interior angles are equal. And if these alternate interior angles are equal, then the lines are parallel. So we have to prove that AB is parallel to CD. That means we have to prove that these two lines are parallel. Here these two lines are parallel. Why? Because these two alternate angles, alternate interior angles are equal. So here we get that x is equal to y is equal to 130 degree and therefore AB is parallel to CD. Why? Because alternate interior angles are equal. Alternate interior angles are equal. So remember, whenever the alternate interior angles are equal, then the lines are parallel, and if the lines are parallel, then the alternate interior angles are also equal. Now let us move to the second question. Now the question is on the screen. In the figure, if AB is parallel to CD parallel to EF, it means AB, CD and EF, these three lines are parallel to each other, and it is given that Y is to Z is equal to 3 is to 7. This is Y angle and this Z angle. The relation between these two angles is given that it is 3 is to 7. So here we can write that Y is to Z is equal to 3 is to 7, and it is given that AB is parallel to CD is parallel to EF. Now since Y is to Z is equal to 3 is to 7, we will take that Y is equal to 3K. Let Y is equal to 3K and Z is equal to 7K. Y is equal to 3K and Z is equal to 7K. Now here what you can say about these two angles? Can anyone tell me what are these two angles? Yes, you are correct that the two angles are interior angles on the same side of the transversal. These are the interior angles. This is this angle, this angle, this angle and this angle. These are the interior angles, and these two angles are on the same side of the transversal. So we call these two angles as the angles on the same interior angles on the same side of the transversal. What is the relation between these two angles? This angle X and angle Y. Yes, the sum of these two angles is 180 degree because the interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. Supplementary means what? The sum of that two angles is 180 degree. So here we can say write that X plus Y, which is equal to 180 degree, because reason is interior angles on the same side of transversal. On the same side of transversal. Now this is X plus Y is equal to 180 degree. What relation you can say about this Y and Z angle Y and this angle Z? Is there any relation? Yes, these two angles are also supplementary because these are co-interior angles. What do we call it as? Co-interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Co-interior angles on the same side of the transversal, and therefore these two angles are also supplementary. It means the sum of these two angles, that is Y plus Z, that is equal to 180 degree. Can we show that this the sum of these two is 180 degree by other way? Yes, you can show that if this is Y, this angle will also be Y. This angle will also be Y because of the vertically opposite angle, and this Y and Z are on the same side of the transversal, and therefore the sum of these two angles will be 180 degrees. So we can say Y plus Z, that is equal to 180 degree. So second step we get that Y plus Z, that is equal to 180 degree. We can write the reason as co-interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Remember, these angles we call as the co-interior angles on the same side of the transversal. If you do not remember it like this, then you can say that this is Y, then this is also Y, because vertically opposite angle, and therefore these two are the interior angles on the same side of the transversal, and therefore their sum is 180 degree. Now X plus Y is equal to 180 degree, Y plus Z, that is equal to 180 degree. Therefore if this is number 1 and this is number 2, then from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, what we get? X plus Y, that is equal to Y plus Z, because the sum of these two angles and sum of these two angles are 180 degree, therefore these two should be equal. And so here this Y and Y will get cancelled, and you will get X is equal to Z, correct? So here you have got X is equal to Z. This measure of angle X and measure of angle Z is also equal. But here we know that y plus z, y plus z, that is equal to 180 degree. Now here y plus z is 180 degree. What is y? Y is 3k. So it will be 3k plus z. What is z? It is 7k. So 7k, which is equal to 180 degree. So 3 and 7, 10. So 10k, that is equal to 180 degrees, and therefore k is equal to 18. So we have got the value of k as 18. But we have to find the value of x. How will you find the value of x? Can anyone suggest how you will find the value of x? We have got the value of k as 18 and we have to find the value of x. Yes, you are correct. Here x is equal to z. Correct? X is equal to z. What is z? Z is 7k. So if this is number 3, then we can say that from 3 what we get? That x is equal to z, but z is what? It is 7k. So x is equal to 7k. K we have got as 18. Put the value of k as 18. So x is equal to 7 into 18. Because k is 18. So 18 sevens are 126 degree. So the value of or measure of angle x that we have got as 126 degrees. Friends, I hope you must have enjoyed this video. If yes, please like the video, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Tomorrow we will see the third and the fourth question of the same exercise, that is exercise number 6.2. Do not forget to join the Telegram channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.